crazy. He had like Christmas lights flashing everywhere and a white face and high heels. Getting after it. See y'all in the morning. Oh, it is a beautiful morning. It's not even that cold. I expected it to, have kind of a nip, but it's warm. It's like a humid blanket falling on top of me. Came to Austin on our YouTube budget, which is what I want to talk about today. Well, so yesterday a very unfortunate thing happened. I love my drone, fly it all over the place, and well, where's it at? This happened. The arm fell off, the gimbal fell off, and now I need another one. Austin's one of the fastest growing cities in the country. Let's go out and get a piece of it. They are not too fond of camping. Dude, it's like 85 degrees right now. Everywhere. There's downtown is completely blocked off. Parking is a huge commodity. Food trucks everywhere, and the event's all indoors. So I don't know if we're gonna actually be able to get into the film festival or even a screening. There's like passes and bands, and those have priority, and then you can stand in line and hope to get some type of like single entry. I think it's $15. See, what I'm really focused on right now is figuring out how to get another drone. I hear a lot of people complain about what it takes to be successful on YouTube, so I'm on a mission to find it. Holy shit, when one door closes, another one opens. This bad boy is an Inspire 2 with an X7. We have a 16, 24, 35, now 35's gone, and a 50mm lens. The goal should go down to South Texas and get a shot, several shots along the Rio Grande worthy of the National Geographic. So, pretty good day so far. We were talking reveals, starting out flying down, looking down, and then lifting up onto, you know, your subject, which in this case was just downtown Austin. We're in the Greenbelt now. Or, you know, starting out on top of your subject and just lifting up faster and faster and faster until they go out of sight. Got a lot to learn, but this is where it all starts. So I love you guys. I hope you have a great night, and I will see y'all very soon. Okay, let's go.
You cannot set up a tent on this ground.
Okay, I'm leaving. I'm just filming something.
Okay.
But I got you.
Who you with?
I have a YouTube channel.
Okay. Can I have your ID if you don't mind?
Yeah.
Please? Yeah, sorry, but you're not allowed to have a tent on the ground.
Okay. I knew I should have moved quicker. It's beautiful out here this morning.